Hi guys, Ali here.
Muaz here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have a
Car.
So this is an RC car. What car is it?
A Corvette.
It's a Corvette. From what year? Oh no, we don't know that yet, do we? So this is a yellow Corvette. Muaz, right?
Yeah.
How big is it? Is it good? Oh, show them the box.
Here's the front. Here's the back.
And here's the top. So this has radio control, so it's an RC car, and it also has, you can turn it a lot of ways. You can go forward, backwards, side, a lot of ways. You can turn it, okay? So it's this 1 out of 18 scale, so it's like not that small. It is quite big. So nothing else in the box? You want to open it? Okay, let's open it. So here we have the remote. You can go like this, up and down, just like that. It's antenna, okay, I'll spool. So that's it, and this has 2 AA batteries that go in it. So we're gonna open this, okay? Here's the car itself. There's the front. Oh, they actually have, they have cool lights. And here's the bottom. These tires look cool. So yeah, there's this. Well, do you want to open them and put the batteries? So let's open the remote. Now turn it on. Now turn this on. Press it. Oh, whoa, do it. Oh. Let's see. So it turns. Just like one. And then let's do this. Hold it. Wow. So Muaz, you like it?
Yeah.
Now drive it across it.
Ooh,
Whoa.
fast.
So that once more. All the way, full way.
Ooh.
Oh, okay.
Go backwards.
You like this? So oh no! This thing's very fast. Oh god, this is super fast. You like it? Are you gonna drive it?
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. And subscribe to our channel. Remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.